This is Met Gardens. This is General Arun Kumar Mark, Bandra Reclamations. This is the old Rizvi Garden. This we call it Met Gardens. At the end you can see. At the end is the tennis courts. I stopped playing tennis from yesterday. And this is where the kids are playing cricket and football. In the evening, the tennis court becomes a playground for kids playing cricket and it's drizzling. It's drizzling. I have not bought my umbrella. I take a short walk from my house to Bandra Bazaar, from Bandra Bazaar to Chapel Road, and then I take a left turn towards Leelavati Hospital, and now I'll walk home. The few places in Bandra near my house for walking is this ground, Bandra Reclamation, and Bandra Reclamation Promenade. I think that is shut. That's what I heard. I have not been there. And then Bandstand. I think that is shut in the evenings. In the mornings you can walk over there. I didn't go today. Then there is Carter Road. Then there is Patwardhan Park. Hi. Yes, I had my lunch. It's almost 5 o'clock, I think. So this is the ground. It is on the edge of Chapel Road. That end is Chapel Road. And this end is Bandra Reclamation. Very close to Leelavati Hospital. There is no security in this garden. And I believe the contract is over. So the guy who was there is no watchman here. This is the gates. And I'm sitting here on a bench. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Zoya, you have become very famous. You have become very famous, Zoya. You are more famous than Pradeep Dhivar also. You are more really famous. Bandra Buzz has written about you in Bandra Buzz. I am very proud of you. Keep it up. And I'm sitting here on a bench watching people playing. My heart has been troubling me. I don't know whether it is my heart or my rib cage, but this never happened before. It's giving me a little problem. Now I shall walk a little bit and then this is the I used to walk here, but then I stopped because actually all the parks are supposed to be closed, but this is a park that was always open. I sent so many messages to CMO Maharashtra, to Ashish Shelarji, to Aditya Thackeray ji. That is before the unblock, but nothing happened. People were playing around here. It doesn't matter to me, but there is no social distancing. And then another thing about Bandra is very few people wear masks. And that is the other garden over there. You can see the kids playing. Over here there used to be a plant. It was known as the diabetes plant. It had leaves which you chewed. And finally a lot of people used to come and take the leaves from the plant and chew it. But then one day they took the entire plant away. So this is here. These are the cricket camp. It's all shut. See these kids? That is the security cabin. It's all shut. It's all shut. Mr. Shamalkar's cricket camp. That is Chapel Road. Beyond. Behind is all Chapel Road. Now there is a little path from here. If I take a right, it takes me back to Chapel Road. Towards Bandra Bazaar Road. See this. Hi Sohail, how are you? Keep up your photography. See this. And this is that is the tennis court, which has become the cricket ground. There used to be a building here. It has been demolished. It was called Falcon Villa. I documented it for a very long time. This is the tennis court. ये लगभग जाएगा ना तेरे को. One thing about Mia kids, they're totally fearless. They don't get scared of anything. And some of them have very bad upbringing. Can't blame them. I'm lucky I had good parents. They made me what I am today. They made me what they are also, what they were. I reflect my parents. This is kids playing football. I am not a blogger, by the way. I stopped blogging a few years back, and I think blogging is over. There was a phase of blogging in 2004, 2005, 2006, 7, 8. I was part of Indie Blogger, and I used to swear by blogging. But then, one fine day, I got fed up because there is no original content in blogging. It was just cut paste. I couldn't do all that. I never did that. I always shoot my own stuff, whatever it is. I don't delete my pictures, even if they are bad. I want you to show how bad a photographer I am. And the most horrible thing on the internet or Instagram is the Instagram stories. I mean, they really suck. Most of them suck completely. That out of sync music and so many other things, so many ads. I am not on Facebook. I gave up Facebook for good. I will never join Facebook, never. I've not deleted my account for one simple reason. I have about 2,500 very good friends. So please, friends, I am a photographer. I'm not a blogger. I'm not a blogger. Not a blogger at all. For me, if you call me a blogger, it's an insult to my credibility as a storyteller and and I tell you one thing, I'm a student or whatever you call it. My first photography school in life was PSI, Photographic Society of India, where I met my gurus. I must tell you about that. PSI is in Fort. It's an old 75 or 80 years old club. It's called the Photographic Society of India. And I was lucky at the time I joined it through Mr. Shrikant Maluste. I met Mr. Jatkar, Professor Jatkar, late Professor Jatkar. I met late KG Maheshwari ji. And these guys helped me become a good photographer. But more than that, they helped me become a good human being. Without them, I don't think I would be what I am. I've spent a lot of money on photography. I used to shoot mostly slides, analog photography, color film. And here I should mention to you Mr. Kelep from Kodak. He was at Mahim and he liked me a lot. So what he would do is he would give me expired rolls and I would pull or push them. I've worked with almost all the labs those days. Mazda, Fuji lab. I mean, you name a lab, I have already gone there. Mittar Bedi's lab, Vishal Bhende's lab. And there were so many other. There was Rassiwala's lab, Huzaifar Rassiwala. I got all my black and whites done there. So I had some good nostalgic memories of photography. But I'm no more participating in camera clubs. I think today's time, the best club, I tell you honestly, if you believe it or not, is Flickr, flickr.com. I'm a pro member since 2007. I met some great photographers. One of them is Mr. Thomas Hawk. The other is Dr. Glenn Losack. There's Linda Schaefer. There's Ben Bell. Oh, there are so many. I've been friendly with these people since 2005. 2007. My first interaction was BuzzNet. After that, Blogspot, then WebShots, Photo Thing, so many things. It was an adventure. And now I am at Flickr. I hardly use it. I don't much like it. I use it as an archive. I'm very happy at Instagram and mostly, you guys will laugh, but I use Twitter as a micro photography site. I post 4 pictures. I tell my stories. At the moment, I am working on the Aghoris. I'm working on the Aghoris. And the time spent at Kashi, 2019, shooting the the Shamshan Holi, the Holi of the dead. You play Holi with living people. The Aghoris play Holi with the dead. And it's an amazing thing. I was lucky I was invited there, and I think I'm the only Muslim in India who has been lucky to be able to shoot the Aghoris, Tantrics and Naga Sadhu. This is my genre. I will not shoot birds, insects, mountains, rivers. Not interested. I live in Mumbai. I love Mumbai. So this is my story, and now I'll be heading home. So thank you, Murtaza. I think many years back we met at my shop. Long time back. I haven't forgotten it. Hi Sultan, how are you? Hi Milan. Hi everybody. So I came out for a short walk. I'm having a little problem. I don't know, is it whether it's acidity, but the problem I'm facing is very new. I've stopped playing tennis. It's one of the main reasons. I'm getting pain in my chest, but it's not related to my heart. I feel it's more to do with my rib cage and the stitches that I've taken. So instead of giving a break of tennis, I walk. Oh, I'm not an inspiration to anybody's. You all guys are inspiring me to be young and to be a photographer. I think the most important thing about photography is to be humble. You can have big lenses, you can have huge cameras, but if you have no humility, it means nothing. I'm happy, and the most important thing in photography is, after being a photographer for almost 30 years of my life, I started very late. The most important thing about photography, I feel, the way I feel it, it's about trust. It's about trust, and it's about shooting something, not to insult humanity. That's it. I don't know. This is a very thin line. I will not shoot a religion to say that it is bad. Never, never, never. I shoot Shiaism. I stopped it for last 3 years because of my health. But the problem with Shiaism is the shedding of blood, which symbolizes the martyrdom of Imam Hussain. I'm not into religious spiel or anything, but what I wanted to say was, in order to shoot Shiaism, in order to show the authenticity of the dagger and you can see my skull. I use 2 daggers non-stop. I don't want to show off one. I don't want to give importance to bleeding or anything. I give importance to Imam Hussain and his martyrdom. That is a different thing. But as a photographer carrying a camera, one day a guy who was cutting his head told me, सिर्फ फोटो लेते रहोगे कि तुम भी कमा मारोगे, तो मैंने एक काम कर, कैमरा मेरा ले ले, तेरे कमा दे. I gave my camera to him. I took the kama and I started hitting my head. I've done sword matam, I've done kama matam, I walked on fire, and there is only one thing that is left which I have to do. It's pending. It's with Hinduism. There is a goddess called Mariamman. She is very important to the Tamils of Mumbai. I'm the only photographer shooting them. So they put a rod between the cheeks. It's a 18 or 16 feet steel rod. I hope to do that. They've stopped me from doing it because of different reasons, nothing to do with my diabetes. They said, hold on. And I have friends. I have Devendra from Nehru Nagar. I have Shanmugam from Varli Madras Wadi, Sundar from Markandeshwar Nagar. I have a lot of friends among Tamils. Vanakam. But I will do that. I will do that 100%. I will do it. And that's got nothing to do with Hinduism or Islam or anything. I'm a Shia Muslim, mind you. And I've had been targeted by Shia bigots because somebody had hacked my site at Buzznet and posted pornographic pictures. I was threatened by the Shia racists or whatever you call them. Anyway, I've passed that stage now. So it's not easy being a photographer and shooting what we are shooting, what I am shooting as such. So, behind the camera, I'm a Hindu, I'm a Christian, I'm a Jew, I'm anything what I'm shooting. I'm not a hijra anyway, but I shoot them. I shoot the transgender community, and this is especially thanks to Guru Lakshmi Narayan Tripathi, who has been kind enough to take me under her protection, and through her, all the images that I've shot is mostly through her. Then I met Bhavani Mata from Indore. She's connected to Kamakya, and Gayatri Devi is also connected to Kamakya. So I've been able to shoot the transgender of the Kinara Khara. I've done almost 6 kumbhs now. This Haridwar kumbh is one kumbh that I've missed. My guru was a Naga Sadhu. My present guru is a Aghori, Manikandanji. So this is my life story. Hope you guys, I have a lot to say to you all. Just be human. That is the most important thing. You can be a photographer, but be human. If you are human and if you are compassionate, you can be a great photographer. Because what you shoot is what the world will see. We are basically, as photographers, I mean, I call myself a street historian because I shoot the streets. I shoot the nuances of the street. I shoot the moods of the street. You know, people. But I'm little. I do not want to be called a street photographer. I am not a street photographer. I tell stories through pictures, and I tell it in 4 pictures on Twitter. I have not used my camera lately. I used it for just to test it. My lenses are gone. My cameras are not working properly. The digital cameras. So I am now only using Vivo 20. My business is totally wiped out. I mean, this is the thing about the lockdown and the pandemic. I'm not the only one. There are a lot of other people like me. My workshops are closed. My tailor masters have all gone back. Told them to go back. Doesn't make sense. Picture line is stopped. I worked for Danny for Mr. Danny for last 40 years, Mr. Shatrughan Sinha, Mr. Shakti Kapoor, and so many other great producers, Mr. Rajkumar Santoshi, Mr. Pailaj Nalani, Mr. Ashok Tyagi. I worked with a lot of people, but at the moment things are on a muted. Everything is muted now. The lockdown has broken the backbone of the middle class, has broken the backbone of the poor. The lockdown has broken the backbone of the poor as well as the marginalized people. It has broken the backbone of the prostitutes at red light area. I used to shoot them also. You imagine. I don't know. People that are rich and well off, they have no issues. So now I'm heading home. My home is just a few blocks from here. Thank you all. God bless you.